Hey everybody, how are you? Welcome back to another beautiful God-given day. Now when I say God-given day, guys, look at the beautiful clouds. Look at the formations, guys. Unbelievable beautiful. And guys, you can hear the sound of the geese. Obviously interacting with each other, and if you can see them from over there, not sure if you can, but I'm positioning my camera there to see if you can see them. Two beautiful ones on the side of the pond. But the guys, that I was saying that the clouds and its formation is so beautiful, it's so pretty. And guys, the beautiful trees complement the surrounding. Guys, I'm in the beautiful Maryland, and it is green, it is lush, it is inviting, and this is a part of a forestry. And my goodness, guys, as you can see, I'm extending my camera as far as possible, guys. And this is what nature gives us: awesome greeneries, lush and beautiful. Look at the extension of the limbs, guys. Look at these trees, and I'm assuming that they have been here for quite a while. Guys, and that's a dried one up there. Look how it is beautiful. Oh my goodness, with the clouds through the dried limbs. And guys, as you can see, because it is spring, the leaves are now popping. So within a couple months or so, this tree should be fully covered with some beautiful green leaves. And guys, as I said about the forest, this is a forest retention area, as you can see it. So guys, I'm just taking you as far as I can. And these are some trees that were newly planted. Guys, I continue to see nature, you know. Nature is amazing, because look here. Look how this beautiful area is covered with healthy and mature Very healthy and mature trees. These trees are amazingly beautiful. I'm pushing my phone as far as possible that you can get a full coverage of this area. Guys, isn't this beautiful? Isn't this beautiful, guys? Oh my goodness. This is so soothing to the eyes, and it gives me great pleasure to capture these beautiful, beautiful trees. Guys, I thank you so much for the opportunity. God has given us another day, and we ought to be grateful. Thank you so much for watching, and to my beautiful subscribers, my potential as usual, and those that are coming here for the first time, I greet you with open arms. God bless you, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye bye.